Hey, I'm Radhika, Senior Product Marketing Manager at Prefect. Let's talk about two new features for Horizon, Deploy and Registry. FastMCP got you from 0 to MCP server in minutes, but getting that server to production was on you. Deploy fixes that. Connect your GitHub repo and Deploy detects your server. One click and you have a live URL with auth already configured. CI/CD is built in. Every push to main triggers a new deployment. When you want to test a change, every pull request gets its own preview server so you can safely test before promoting to main. The infrastructure is serverless. It scales up with traffic, drops to 0 when idle. If something breaks, instant rollbacks. You can promote any previous deployment without rebuilding anything. Traditional observability tools will tell you everything's fine while your server is on fire. Deploy surfaces real MCP errors so you actually know when something's broken. Now, Registry. You know how this goes. One team builds an MCP server, another team builds a few more, someone pulls one in from the official registry, and 6 months later, nobody knows what exists or what any of it does. Registry is your catalog for discovering capabilities across your organization. What can your agents access? What context is available? What's already been built that you can use today? Registry answers that. Deploy and Registry are available now. We can't wait to see what you build.